So I'm here again with my printer, the Ender 3 V3KE. I'm new to 3D printing. I just have this for like a couple of weeks now. I've never printed anything before. So one thing I've noticed, when you get a 3D printer, you want to print everything. It's like that saying, if all you have is a hammer, everything looks like a nail. So you look for models and you want to print everything. And at some point I realized that does not make sense. So I wanted to move the spool out of the top of the printer here, because I didn't have the place here. And I also wanted to reduce the weight as it is on this gantry. So there's a whole filament system that you can print out, this filler type of hangers here that actually goes into different bases. So this part here, get this filament out of the way. So this part you can actually detach and attach somewhere else, which is very good. It's a clever idea. But I wanted to mount it in this place. So I looked for a model on printables to print a whole system here to hang this. But then I realized I don't need to print everything. I just got a piece of plywood and screwed this into the shelf, and then just a little 3D printed part for the filament hanger. So a quick tip: when you get a printer, you want to print everything, but you don't really have to or need to, or it might not even be the best solution. So don't get overexcited with the 3D printer. Use it for useful stuff. That's it.